How to delete shared booking page in Microsoft Bookings. In this video, I'll show you how to delete shared booking pages on Microsoft Bookings. So there is no direct way for you to delete it. So as you can see, if you try to delete it by clicking on the three dots at the top right of this, you won't find a delete button. You'll find a clone or share button instead. Now, once you open that specific booking, you'll be able to get redirected to your calendar and booking page. So if you try to check for business information under the business information tab, you won't be able to find a deactivate button in here or delete button. You can only change the information that you have for your business. So as you can see, once you open each of these tabs, you'll be able to find more info about this specific service, but there is no way for you to delete it itself. So what you can do instead is to go ahead and close the business hours. So click on this delete button for each of your available hours and then make sure to save these changes. Since there is no direct way for you to delete it, what you can do is to make this specific booking page inactive. To be able to do that, head over into this booking page tab and then set this to no self-service so that no one can create an appointment themselves. Only you can create an appointment for this specific booking page. And that is the workaround on how you can delete shared booking pages in Microsoft Bookings. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.